Hi, and welcome back to Cotton Creations. Today we're going to be doing another play on the fried cauliflower recipe, but this time we're going to make it taste similar to fried shrimp. And this was inspired by my god sister. When she first tried my fried cauliflower recipe, she was like, oh my gosh, this kind of reminds me of fried shrimp. And that's when I got the idea to do a seafood inspired version. So if you're interested in this recipe, please stay tuned. So first we're going to season our cut and washed cauliflower with Old Bay seasoning, garlic powder, as well as kelp. Kelp is what's going to give it that like sea flavor. You could also use like some sort of seaweed sheets and crush those up, as well as dulse flakes. So there's a lot of different options that you can use. We're also going to season our batter, and as you know, I love to use that flour and cornstarch batter. We're going to season it with some kelp and that Old Bay seasoning. Next, we're going to take our seasoned cauliflower and go ahead and give it a coat of flour and cornstarch and shake that up very well. Next, let's work on our milk drudge. I'm using unsweetened almond milk, and to that I'm going to add some cornstarch, some Old Bay seasoning, and some kelp, and I'm going to mix that very well. Next, we're going to take our coated cauliflower and we're going to go ahead and put that into our milk drudge and make sure that all the pieces are nicely coated in the milk. Once all your cauliflower has been coated in the milk, we're going to go ahead and put it back into the batter, and we're going to give it a nice few shakes and make sure that it's very well coated. And then we're going to place that on our plate and let that rest for about 5 minutes. Once your oil is nice and hot, you want to go ahead and place your cauliflower in your pot and go ahead and fry until all sides are nice and golden brown. When your cauliflower is done cooking, I recommend that you put it either on a rack or on some paper towel so that some of the oil can drain, and then we are ready to go ahead and eat. So I would highly recommend pairing this with some lemon and some cocktail sauce. Enjoy! So tell me what you think. So again, it's super quick, super easy, and such a delicious, satisfying recipe, especially if you're like me and you're a Maryland girl and you know what we're known for. We're known for our seafood in Maryland. So sometimes I still get that craving for some seafood, so this definitely helps to satisfy that craving. So if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe down below, like right now. And don't forget to drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this recipe. And I can't wait for you guys to try it out. I just know you're gonna love it. So until next time, thanks for watching.